Taking this apart. It's in my shed now. I want to take these buttons out. I want to take this out so I can isolate this, take that off, get all these graphics copied. Get all these graphics copied. In order to do so, I've never done this before, so I'm presuming, and this I gotta glue back in. This is just terrible. I don't know what is wrong with Maserati. I have to put this in a vacuum bag to vacuum it nice and to glue it up properly. Right now it's just terrible, absolutely terrible. Anyways, so we'll start by unscrewing, I suppose. Let's see, there's one screw. Looks like this. Goes in the cup. Let me loosen these up. Where isn't it? There we go. Loosen this up. So 2, 3, 4. It goes in there. Okay, so it's still not loose. So I'm presuming I'm gonna loosen these up. So I'm gonna go see if I can do it this way. There we go. So there's one. There's 2. There's 3. I'm going to put these screws back in because I do not want them to get mixed up with anything else or go walkies. So this is so sticky, it's gross. So I'm presuming now I've got to take these off. These 4. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are all clean. Okay. These are all good. Put this aside. These are all the buttons. Now, these are in different order. So this little nipple, these 3 are to the side, and these 3 are at the bottom. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a picture of this. Have a good look at this. So you've got, can you see it? See that nipple here? That little nipple there is what touches. This is like this. Is what touches that. See, these 3 are to the side, and then these 2 are to the bottom. These 2 are to the, see, these 2 are to the bottom, and these 3 are to the side. Okay, this one is longer than the rest of them because there's nothing here. There's nothing here. This has nothing on it. Okay, so I'm taking these out, nice and gentle. They come out quite easily. Look at the state of that. That's disgusting, man. I think I'm going to put these screws back in as well. going to fast forward all this because you guys don't need to see any of this. Me putting screws back in. These screws are all back in, so there's no, hopefully, no chance of any of them being misplaced or go walkies or anything. This is double threaded. Okay, putting this away in the box. Now, so I still have to take this off. And this has all the rings to it as well. See the rings? They get pushed out. So this is, okay, so I've got to take these screws back out so that this can come out. See that? Yeah, because we don't want this around. We're not painting this. See that? We're not touching this. Putting it away. You see that? Look at the state of that thing. It's gross. It's absolutely gross. So now we're taking the lights off this cluster, which is this. Putting these back in. I don't want no walkies. Okay, so now I'm taking this off. One screw. Two screws. Three screws. And this lifts off. This is from here. Lifts off. Don't need that. Goes away. Then this. It's loose. I don't want to force anything, but it is loose. not loose enough. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera now for a little bit to see if I can figure this out.